Hi, wanna know 2 ways how to restart your Realme 12x? So, today I'll show you 2 ways how to restart your phone. The first one is the basic one and the second one is called force restart. Let's start with the classic. So, to restart your phone, we would need to firstly find our power button, which is located on the right edge of your phone, and here's it how it looks. This is the smaller button on the right edge. So, we would need to hold this button until on your screen will appear this power off menu. And now to restart our phone, we would need to take this white circle with our finger and pull it up until this whole slider will become green. And now if you will release your finger, your phone will perform an automatic restart, which means that you don't need to do anything, it will happen by itself. And now let's move on to the second way, which is named force restart. So this was invented for the situation when your phone has lagged, it's not responding, you cannot do anything with the screen because it just bugged, it's not moving. So to restart your phone, we would need to hold a combination of buttons, which is power button and volume up button. We would need to hold these two buttons until you'll see that the screen has gone black, because when the screen is black, that means that your phone is now restarting, so we can release our fingers. So let's do it. I'll start holding these buttons and watch the screen at the same time. And now when you can see that the screen has gone black, we can release our fingers and you can also feel a little vibration and the Realme logotype appear on the screen. Now our phone is restarting, and after it will turn on, it should be as normal like before. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.